Welcome to the future of communication. Have you ever imagined having a conversation with an artificial intelligence that can understand your every word and respond just like a human being? Well, that future is already here, and it's called AI Chat, or Chat GPT. In this video, we'll take you on a fascinating journey through everything you need to know about this groundbreaking technology. From its inception to its evolution, we'll cover it all. Hello, and welcome to this video, where we will explore everything you need to know about AI Chat and Chat GPT. If you're interested in learning how these technologies work and how they can benefit you or your business, then this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover the endless possibilities of AI Chat with Chat GPT. Let's dive in. What is AI Chat? AI Chat is a technology that uses artificial intelligence to provide a conversation between a computer and a human. It is a software application that can simulate human conversation, making it possible to interact with users through messaging apps, websites, or even voice assistants. AI Chat is becoming increasingly popular, with many businesses using it to improve customer engagement and satisfaction. What is Chat GPT? Chat GPT is a specific type of AI chat that uses a language model called GPT, which is the abbreviation of Generative Pre-trained Transformer, to generate human-like responses. GPT is a neural network that has been trained on vast amounts of text data, allowing it to understand language patterns and generate coherent responses to user inputs. ChatGPT is considered one of the most advanced and effective types of AI chat available. ChatGPT is trained on a vast compilation of articles, images, websites, and social media posts scraped from the internet, as well as real-time conversations, primarily in English, with human contractors hired by OpenAI. It learns to mimic the grammar and structure of writing and reflects frequently used phrases. It also learns to recognize shapes and patterns in images, such as the contours of a cat, a child, or a shirt. It can match words and phrases to those shapes and patterns as well, allowing users to ask about the contents of an image, such as what a cat is doing or the color of the shirt. ChatGPT is scary good. "We are not far from dangerously strong AI," said Elon Musk, who was one of the founders of OpenAI before leaving. Sam Altman, OpenAI's chief, said on Twitter that ChatGPT had more than 1 million users in the first 5 days after it launched. According to an analysis by Swiss bank UBS, ChatGPT is the fastest-growing app of all time. The analysis estimates that ChatGPT had 100 million active users in January, only 2 months after its launch. For comparison, it took 9 months for TikTok to reach 100 million. How does ChatGPT work? ChatGPT works by analyzing user inputs and generating a response that is similar in structure and tone to human language. The system first uses natural language processing to understand the meaning of the user's input. It then uses GPT to generate a response that is relevant to the input and sounds like it could have been written by a human. The system can also learn from previous interactions, allowing it to improve its responses over time. The model has many functions in addition to answering simple questions. ChatGPT can compose essays, describe art in great detail, create AI art prompts, have philosophical conversations, and even code for you. The technology that underlies ChatGPT is referenced in the second half of its name, GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Transformers are specialized algorithms for finding long-range patterns in sequences of data. A transformer learns to predict not just the next word in a sentence, but also the next sentence in a paragraph and the next paragraph in an essay. This is what allows it to stay on topic for long stretches of text. Because a transformer requires a massive amount of data, it is trained in 2 stages. First, it is pre-trained on generic data, which is easier to gather in large volumes. And then it is fine-tuned on tailored data for the specific task it is meant to perform. ChatGPT was pre-trained on a vast repository of online text to learn the rules and structure of language. It was fine-tuned on dialogue transcripts to learn the characteristics of a conversation. How much does ChatGPT cost? ChatGPT is free. OpenAI released the chatbot as a research preview, and users can try it through a dedicated website. On February 1, OpenAI also launched a premium version for $20 a month, starting in the US. That will give subscribers priority access. OpenAI's GPT-3 utilized in ChatGPT is free of cost. Meanwhile, ChatGPT Plus is a paid upgrade version that costs $20 per month. Well, OpenAI's GPT-4 is not going to be free. but it will contain different pricing based on whether you are using GPT-4 through ChatGPT Plus or API. There are 2 pricing costs available for GPT-4 starting at $0 and 3 cents for 1K prompt tokens. However, if you are accessing GPT-4 in ChatGPT Plus, then you need to subscribe to its monthly plan, which costs $20 per month. Benefits of using ChatGPT. There are several benefits to using ChatGPT, including 1. Improved customer engagement. ChatGPT can provide personalized and responsive interactions with customers, improving engagement and satisfaction. 2. Increased efficiency. ChatGPT can handle a large volume of customer queries simultaneously, freeing up staff to focus on more complex issues. 3. Cost-effective. ChatGPT can reduce the need for human support staff, reducing costs and improving efficiency. 4. 24/7 availability. ChatGPT can operate around the clock, providing customers with instant support and reducing response times. 5. Improved customer insights. ChatGPT can analyze user interactions, provide insights into customer preferences and behavior, allowing businesses to make data-driven decisions. How to implement ChatGPT. Implementing ChatGPT involves several steps, including 4. Choosing the platform. There are several platforms available that offer ChatGPT capabilities, such as Dialogflow, IBM Watson, and Amazon Lex. Choose a platform that best fits your business needs and budget. 3. Training the model. The ChatGPT model needs to be trained on relevant data to generate accurate responses. This can be done by feeding it with relevant data or training it with pre-trained models. 2. Testing and refining. After training the model, it is important to test and refine it to ensure it is generating accurate and relevant responses. This may involve tweaking the system settings or adding more training data. 1. Deployment. Once the ChatGPT system is trained and tested, it can be deployed to the desired platform, such as a website or messaging app. If you enjoyed this video and learned something new about iChat and ChatGPT, please consider subscribing to our channel for more informative content like this. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in this topic. Your support will motivate us to create more engaging and informative videos in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.